Okay, so if you were anything like me and you got your Crop-A-Dile, this one, and then also I have the other big one over there, the big bite they call it, you probably have gotten one of these things that tell you, oh, the letters and the numbers for the eyelet size. And you were probably like, okay, well, what does that mean? Because that's exactly what happened to me. And so, let me go ahead and unlock this. Okay, so down here on these pieces here, you have letters and numbers. On the, if you can see that clear, I don't even know if it's going to come in clear for you, but on the bottom here, where you see the pointy piece, there is a letter. And up here on the flat piece, there is a number. So right now it says 2 and D. In order for us to do the 1/8, so if we bore a hole that was 1/8, right? If we bore our hole at 1/8 size and we put our eyelet in, we need to have the settings at C3. C as in Charlie, and then the number 3. So down here, it's on D right now, so I have to pull it up, and then I have to swing it around, and I have to try to find C. Okay? Now, you guys are not going to be able to see this clearly because it won't. Okay, but anyway, there's a C. Okay? You see that? There's a C. So I have to make sure that the C is pointing up, and then push it on back down in there. So now it's on C. And then I have to go down here to this side, and I have to find the number 3. So right now it's on number 2. So I'm going to pull it up and swing it and see where 3 is. So that is 3 right there. So 3 has to be pointing up as well. So I'm going to go ahead and push that back down. So now it's set to C3. Okay? So when it's time for me to line up my eyelet to smush it down, I have to ensure that my settings are on C3. I pray that this helps someone because, yeah, it took me a minute to figure this out. But I'm grateful to share what I know. So it's on C3 now. If I were doing a 3/18 inch eyelet, which is a bigger one, then I would do A1. So I would change this to A1. Another little tip for you guys, this pointy piece is supposed to go on the good side. The little flat piece goes on the bad side, or not bad side, but the opposite side. But that good shiny side that you want to be showing on your journal, that is where this little pointy piece goes. At least I believe that's how it goes. That's what I figured out in my trials and errors. So anyway, here's the tool. If you guys are interested in the tool, I will link it in this video, and it is definitely in my showcase. I hope this helps someone because, man, it took me a minute. But this is where you poke the hole at over here in this space, if you can see that, right? And then down here is where, once you poke your hole, where you would put your eyelet to smush your eyelet in. Okay, have a great day, guys. I'm enjoying this journey. Thank you for coming along with me.